Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is the 1st of May today, it's Sunday, and just a quick cottage garden catch up, tell you how things are getting on, how things are growing. As you can see here, my lovely pink carnation, pink geranium perennial, it's got to get its first flowers. Then we have this beautiful tree lily. These get probably 8 to 10 heads on each one. Absolutely gorgeous, really nice, really well scented. Just have a quick scan from the back. As you can see here, the guy that cuts my hedge will be here a week on Thursday because I've done my backing, so I'm getting somebody in to cut it. One of my neighbours runs a little gardening business. Here's my hollyhock, which is looking really nice. Oh, and I want to show you how my dandelions are getting on after treated with some salt on the path. Don't worry everybody, I'm not using salt on any dandelions in the garden, just on this path here. I don't want to use any really strong chemicals, so use salt will wash away, it's not the end of the world. And then we have down here my lupin, which you see the flower stalks there, coming down here, spinning round. Primulas there, nice golden yellow. Come here, these aqualegias, these are like really the first thing to flower in the garden at spring. They're looking really nice. Then we have some pink carnations here. These are white carnations, sorry, nickname is pinks. And we have some foxgloves, just some more primulas, really nice. There's a Papa Bear somniferum, the opium poppy there. I've got several of those growing. Some hostas as we come round. Japanese anemones at the back there. Some peonies. These are scented and the flowers on them are absolutely stunning. Pink, a pinky white, sort of like a raspberry ripple ice cream, really nice. There's some more aqualegias that come along. This is a really nice purple and white, really gorgeous. Some more hollyhocks at the back there. This is a delphinium that I've grown from seed. It's a dwarf variety, but the blues on it are electrifying. Then we have peony, an old fashioned variety at the back there. That will be flowering soon. Yeah, old fashioned peony back there. Here we have an oriental poppy here. Diane Joyce it's called, this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Then some bluebells that are just coming into their own at the back there. As we come down here, some more aqualegias. Beautiful tall aqualegia there. As we come down here, bleeding heart, dicentra, absolutely amazing. And we have some Icelandic poppies here, really nice. And then a nice double, triple aqualegia there. This tall peony here. This is a beautiful creamy white version, reddish white. Get the ants off my fingers before they bite me. Some forget-me-nots at the bottom there, followed by some delphiniums that have grown from seed last year. These should first year that these flowering. It's great. Beautiful lupin here, next to another dicentra. As we come down here, we have a beautiful hollyhock, and then a little cluster of aqualegias, Easter bonnets. As we come a bit further down, this is probably the nearest to flowering out of all my lupins. See the flower shoots there. Then we have this Lucifer, beautiful deep red, absolutely gorgeous. We have some, this is a penstemon, red and white variety, really nice. Followed by some of these forget-me-nots. Then we have some agapanthus here. I want to show you, got 3 pots with these in. That's with some foxgloves in that one. Next to that, we have some dahlia tubers that have been left out all year, that they're growing back really, really healthy and strongly. This needs digging out and weeding. Not digging out, digging over it just on the top, get rid of all the weeds, cut that back, and I'll plant some probably petunias around that, look really nice, with a big orange dahlia in the middle. This one here, this is capiole, this, and look how many new shoots is on that one. That, I'll take some cuttings off that, that is going to look stunning. We come down here, beautiful big agapanthus. I'll take this out, I'll cut probably 6 inches off the roots, divide that, and stitch it back in there. so I can then plant some other plants around it. Look really nice. So we have some Papavera somniferum there. They're just some random seedlings. And dahlias, 1, 2, 3, 4 growing there. There was a 5th one, but that one hasn't survived, but it doesn't matter, the rest have. And this is one of my favourite delphiniums. Beautiful blue colour, absolutely outstanding. Next up we have a bearded irises. And then our large Papavera somniferum, getting really big cabbage leaves on there, looking really good. We come down here, we have my clematis, which is a big double treble. You see the size of the flower heads on this one, absolutely outstanding. As we come down, this is a columbine, the Americans call them, Easter bonnet, aquilejas, and a beautiful white one down here, which is quite an unusual colour for these, white. And we have like a purple and white one there. Just come through here. We have, this is my my agapanthus here. These have been grown from seed. This is the 3rd year, so I'm going to put some of these on, and hopefully we'll get some flowers off these this year, which will be absolutely amazing. I can't wait to see the first flowers off those. As we come down my silver birch here, that's self-seeded, and then we have my peony pots here. This has been moved this year, and a smaller one. And that's it for the front garden. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.